I'm Anil Kumar, and before we really get into solving complicated polynomial equations, let's look into this basic concept. The question here is, determine equation of a possible cubic polynomial function with only real root at x equals to 7. It's an open-ended question. It could have many different kinds of answers. Well, what we are given here is there is one root, only one real root, and that real root is at x equals to 7. So what we are given here is the real root is at x equals to 1, and we are also given that the degree is 3. And what we need to find is the polynomial function, right? So what could it be? Now, since this real root is at x equals to 7, since this real root, there's only one real root at x equals to 7, degree is 3, we need to find the polynomial function. Now, since we have one root at 7, that means one of the factors is going to be x minus 7, right? Now, degree is 3, that means there is some quadratic factor here, right? Quadratic factor here. And of course, this quadratic factor will have two imaginary roots, correct? Simplest example is x squared plus 1. That is simplest example, since you know what, x squared plus 1, if you solve, equals to 0, you get x squared equals to minus 1, or x is equals to plus minus square root of minus 1, which is plus minus iota. So we get two imaginary roots, right? So that is probably the simplest answer which you can give, and you can of course complicate it to any extent. So that is how I'll like to answer this question. I hope that helps. Thank you.